Parental responsibility after a separation or divorce. Tim's parents are separating. The separation raises a number of questions and doubts, particularly with regard to Tim's welfare. How will they share parental responsibility for him in the future? Parental responsibility serves the best interests of the child from birth until he or she reaches the age of majority. It concerns both married and unmarried parents, whether they live together or not. It involves deciding on all matters concerning the child and his or her welfare, from routine or urgent matters to major changes. Where the parents exercise joint parental responsibility, they make decisions together on important issues. For example, when changing the child's principal place of residence, the consent of the other parent must be obtained in certain circumstances. This is the case if the new place of residence is outside Switzerland or if the usual personal contact arrangements with the child will change significantly due to the move. In the case of sole parental responsibility, which is assigned to only one of the two parents, it is sufficient to inform the other parent of the move. Swiss legislation in force since 2014 enshrines joint parental responsibility in law. For married parents, joint parental responsibility applies from the birth of the child onwards and is maintained in the event of a divorce. In the case of unmarried parents, the mother has sole parental responsibility unless a joint or a unilateral application has been submitted by the father. In both cases, an exception is made if assigning joint responsibility would be contrary to the best interests of the child. In Tim's case, his parents were married before he was born, and so parental responsibility will be shared jointly by both parents after the divorce. Sophie's parents divorced shortly after she was born and before the law changed. Because Swiss law did not permit joint parental responsibility after divorce prior to January 2000, Sophie's mother retained parental responsibility and custody of her. The situation was tense at first, but her parents have now reached a good understanding. In the case of Alice and Lisa, whose parents are not married, no joint agreement was signed, neither for parental responsibility nor for child support. Therefore, their mother has sole responsibility and is in a precarious situation because it's difficult for her to get financial support without an agreement. It's important to divide parental responsibility properly following the birth of a child and also after a separation to continue to parent the child jointly in order to protect his or her welfare. Mutual respect and regular dialogue ensure that the life and the development of the child will proceed smoothly. The FSFM, the Swiss Association for Single Parents, has been supporting you since 1984 by providing answers to your questions about life as a single parent. Additional information on parental responsibility is available on our website. You can contact our advisors by telephone or email if required. Children first. Single parenthood made simpler.